Class, please let me know. Of the last class we covered, how much we completed? Okay, up to W by V percent. Strength of solution we didn't discuss. Strength of solution. You can up to W by V percent. Okay. Okay, we'll discuss now. So we discussed up to this, we revised up to this, which is done yesterday class, up to end of the paper. Okay, we'll start now. Strength of solutions. Right? W grams of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So it's called strength of solution. The strength of solution equal to W gram by V liter. We convert liter into ml, we can get W gram by V ml in 2000. This is the strength of solution formula. So you can see already we given W by W percent and W by V percent also I mentioned. Now I am taking strength of solution equal to W grams by V ml into 100 into 10 I can write 1000. nothing is going to be changed. What we call this is, please refer your class notes. I mention everything very clearly. This we call W by V percent into 10. Is it clear? So again, we know very well here, density equal to what you can write, sir? Density of solution equal to mass by volume. Can I write? Density of solution equal to mass by volume. I hope everyone you know that one. Density of solution equal to weight of solution by volume of solution. So volume of solution equal to what we can write? Weight of solution by density of solution. Anything wrong here? So wherever V is there, I can substitute W by D solution. So here volume is there, sir, volume term. I'm going to be substitute in place of V, W by D solution. So strength of solution equal to W grams of solute into 1000 by V ml of solution. This is solution, sir. So in place of V solution, I'm going to write W solution by D solution. So W grams by W solution by V solution. Sorry, density solution. No? Let's check it here. I'm writing very simple step. I think so you can understand. You're expecting. You're not getting, let me know that one. Again, I will explain. Just I'm substituting in place of V. So W by D in 2000. I think so. What this we can write, sir? This D will come up or not? W grams by capital W. This is solution into 1000 into density. Is correct? Anything wrong here? Density of solution. D solution means density of solution. And I'm using that words when I'm giving, I'm not writing on screen. When I'm using that word, please note down that is. After this, any doubt? So now I'm going to be write W grams of by capital W. This is solution. Into 1000 I can write 100 into 10, sir, into density. So W gram by capital W. This is what we call W by W percent, sir. So strength of solution equal to W by W percent into 10 into D. So this is the final strength of solution formula. So given here in terms of W by V, in terms of W by W percent, both are given, sir. Strength of solution are given in terms of W by W, in terms of W by V percent also. Please note down. When I am discussing, after understood, try to note down. Instead of going back, show sir one more time slide. Instead of that, try to note down better. If completed, let me know that one. Okay. Next, write molarity, capital M. Symbol is capital M. Right. N moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. Units equal to mole per liter. It is temperature dependent. What the temperature dependent means, by changing temperature, increasing temperature, concentration of the solution also going to be changed. That's we call temperature dependent. If temperature changes, molarity also will be changed. From unit, I am going to write formula. By using unit, I am going to write formula. We also can try that one later. Molarity equal to mole per liter. Mole means symbol is N. Per liter means V I can take, sir. You can write number of moles formula, you know that one, weight by molecular weight. N by V ml. If we convert into liters into ml means 1000, sir, into 1000. You can write even number of moles, weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by VmL. N equal to formula given weight by gram molecular mass. In place of N, I substituted, sir, here. In place of N, weight by molecular weight, I substituted. Now we have to know that formula, sir. All these things, number of moles. Completed? Are you writing very fast? People are expecting. Once completed, let me know that one. Once completed, let me know. Discuss all these problems, how to use also we can discuss, sir, with problems. Don't worry that one. Just I need to discuss little bit theory, then followed by sums we can do. how to use all these formulas, I'm going to give that one. Even you are going to be solved. Now I'm writing here again molarity equal to a direct question. Everyone you can solve, sir. If they are interrelated that questions, then only difficult. By giving W by W percent, then they can ask molarity. By giving W by V percent and what is the molarity, they can ask. They won't ask direct questions like this. If they given direct questions, we can solve very easily, sir. So molarity equal to W by into 1000 by VML by gram molecular weight. Is it any change formula? I'm writing only this the formula, sir. Just VML I wrote, gram molecular weight here. Doesn't change anything. So what we can write in place of VML and 1000, W by VML into 1000. I can write that is strength of solution by gram molecular mass. I hope you know strength of solution, what we can write formulas in terms of W by V percent, in terms of W by W percent. Now only I given, please check it. Strength of solution equal to in terms of W by V percent. So you can write strength of solution W by V percent, W by V percent into 10. Anyway, gram molecular weight is common, sir. I am writing everything in place of strength of solution. By using W by W percent, please check it. W by W percent into 10 into density. There is a strength of solution formula by gram molecular weight. So this is the all molarity formulas, different forms of molarity. Check it. What's your doubt? You can ask, we'll discuss. Completed. Now solve questions which I am giving questions. Try to solve. Calculate molarity of the following solutions. Calculate the molarity of following solutions. Right. Okay, please note down a little bit fast. First question I am solving, then remaining you can try it. I've already done very well. Very good that is. Now write molarity formulas or whatever they given. Molarity equal to given weight by gram marker mass. This is the basic formula you have to write every time. You can use different formulas also directly. If they are given ml in grams means suitable formula. So m equal to weight, how much are they given? 4 grams. What is the weight of NaOH? 40. What is the volume? 1000 by VML, how much they given, sir? 200. By solving this is you can get, sir. I think so 4 things will get 1 by 2, nothing but 0.5 m. This is your answer. So similarly you can try remaining also. Please note down this is, if any doubt you can ask. Check it that question how to solve that is. First write formula every time. Without writing formula don't solve any question. For learning first time, if you write number of times formula you can remember long time. Otherwise just temporarily within 1 week you are going to be forget. If any doubt you can ask. 4.9 grams. 4.9 grams. Any doubt? Please check it. any question you are not understanding, any term you are not getting, let me know that one. Calculate molarity W by V percent, strength of solution of 1.20 grams of MgSO4 dissolved in 250 ml of solution. If you are not getting any question, any idea after writing, let me know that one. That question we'll discuss. If completed, let me know that one. By solving this formula, you can get your answer, sir. W value will get. Completed? I can give formula, you can try it. Huh? Question numbers, we can take it first. Okay, I'm taking this is question number 2, sir. This I'm taking 2. Question number 2. This is 3. Fourth question. Fifth question. Okay. Question number 2 already given hint. Substitute and get answer finally substitution. Okay, we'll discuss question number 3, sir. I am giving formula. Question number 3. Molarity equal to W by V percent into 10 by gram molecular mass. So W by V percent is 20 into 10 by gram molecular mass of HCl is 36.5. So by solving 200 by 36.5, we'll get your answer. And question number 4, molarity equal to W by W percent into 10 into density by gram molecular mass. Okay, then W by W percent is 30 into 10 into density is 1.1. I think so HNO3 molecular weight is 63. By solving this, you will get your answer. Now last question you can do, sir. Molarity equal to, you can do by using formula and as well as definition. Given mass by gram molecular mass into 1000 by VML. So 1.20 by 120 into molecular weight of MgSO4 is 120, sir. 1000 by 250. So 4 times. Yes, how many times? 1 by 100. This is 1 by 100. So 4 by 100 you will get 0.04. Now suppose you need to calculate W by V percent. Already formula you know that one. Molarity equal to W by V percent into 10 by gram molecular mass. So W by V percent equal to M into gram molecular mass by 10. So M equal to 0.04 into 120 by 10. Next, strength of solution. Strength of solution also is given, sir. Molarity equal to strength of solution by gram molecular mass. Nothing but strength of solution equal to gram molarity into gram molecular mass. Nothing but, so molarity is 0.4, sorry, 0.04 into molecular weight is 120, sir. Check it. These are the which is given questions according to formulas. We'll try with the definition also. Once we complete it, we'll try with the definition. Check it. Any doubt? Any doubt? Let me know that one. We'll discuss again one more time. By formula, by definition also shall we try it by using definition? Check it here. 1.2 grams dissolved in 250 ml of solution, sir. We can do W by V percent strength of solution. Molarity anyway, you know that one. There is the only chance. There is no other chance. So you have to solve same way. But here I am doing W by V percent. 1.20 grams dissolved in 250 ml, sir. But our definition is W by V percent means per 100 ml only you have to check it. Per 100 ml, how much dissolved? X. Right, X value. So X equal to 1.20 into 100 by 250. So whatever we are getting that value and above case we are getting value should be same. Is it clear? Next, strength of solution by using definition, sir. 1.20 grams dissolve here 250 ml of solution. But definition from strength of solution is for 1 liter or 1000 ml how much they dissolve. So this is X, calculate X equal to. This is your answer. So you can use by definition as well as formula. Any doubt? Can I move further? If completed, let me know that one. You can move further. One more method we will discuss. Fine. Right, next dilution. టీ అర్జున్ కూడా మన పిల్లలందరినీ Okay. Right, dilution. Right, dilution nothing but I am taking here one solution. Suppose assume that one you have one fruit juice that is only half glass. Assume that one you have mango juice that is just half glass. Okay, but would like to take full glass of mango juice. Okay, now by adding water here we may get full glass, sir. Full glass of juice will get. What about taste of that juice? Is it change or same? Is it change or same that juice taste? That will get still same taste. Change. Clear? That is not the same. So similarly, I am taking here. What we are adding here? This is solvent. I'm not adding again mango juice. I'm adding just solvent to the mango juice solution. So here 0.2 m HCl 100 ml. By adding 200 ml of water, what about HCl concentration? Decreases or same? Previously your taste is sweetness decreases or increases previously? Sweetness decreases. Here also concentration going to be decreases or increases? HCl concentration decreases. Okay. So this process only we call dilution. Right. Addition of solvent. Addition of solvent to the solution is called dilution. Right. So in the case of dilution, which is the amount is present already. Suppose you have half glass starting some mango juice. After dilution also, mango amount is constant, sir. Suppose you add only one mango to make half glass of juice. By adding water, previous also one mango, now also one mango content only is there inside. So in the case of dilution process, amount is constant. Amount nothing but number of moles is constant. The amount nothing but number of moles only. Right, sir, one point. The dilution process, N remains constant. Molarity into volume equal to N, sir. I hope you know molarity equal to N by V. Then N equal to M into V, which is constant. N is constant, right? Number of moles is constant. Remains constant in the case of dilution. Before dilution, M1 V1 equal to N. So this is before dilution. Equation 1 you can assume, and before dilution. After dilution, by adding water, concentration going to be changed. Volume is now 100 ml. By adding some water, volume also going to be changed. That's we call M2V2. But N is constant. Equation 2. after dilution. So equal both equations because both cases n only 1 equal to 2, then you will get m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. Understood? So v2 equal to, you can write, sir, v2 equal to v1 plus added solvent, vt equal to v1 plus added solvent. How much we are adding extra solvent, sir? Here we are adding which is extra. Already v1 is there, then I'm adding something water, that is extra solvent. So v equal to added solvent, v1 plus added solvent. So shall we try previous question, which is a given diagram? What we are getting? Please note down this is first. Then you can try that question by using that formula. Completed? Keep in mind, most of the people are doing mistake v2. What is a v2? That's why are doing mistakes, sir, everyone. v1 plus added solvent. Everyone they are doing mistake here only. v2 means which we are adding 200 400, that is you are remembering. But we are not considering v1 also. You need to consider v1 also. We are adding to one baker only, na? That baker already 100 ml is there. Now we are adding 200. Total volume how much? 300. Zero 0.06. Someone they given answer. You can check it, sir. Answer. Here m1 I am taking, this is m1 v1. So we are adding, I have to calculate m2 v2. So m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. Now check it. So m1 is 0.1, sorry, 0.2. Volume is 100 ml. m2 we don't know, but v2 we know that one. 100 plus 200, total 300, sir. So m2 equal to 0.2 into 100, 20 by 300. So I can calculate here 2 by 30, sir. 2 by 30, how much you can calculate? 2 by 3 means 0.66, is correct? Can keep capital M, molarity again. Any doubt in this case? Please check it. Right, sir. One more question. Or you can substitute understood process na m1 v1 you can calculate. Fine. Right. Someone they're asking one more question, right? Mixed with 800 ml of H2O. I'm writing plus means we are mixing each other. That's you have to find out. Or you can create your own questions. Take these numbers your own, whatever you want. You know some bases and acids. Any base, any acid you can take. I'm taking here HNO3. You can take any acid, any base, sir. Plus you can add your own any number. I'm adding here 200 ml of water. You can create your own examples. Solve these two questions. Array Ganesh, what is the problem you? Huh? Nothing. Okay, which is we are going to be teach. That is within the syllabus only. I'm going to be teach. I won't teach extra. Which is the deleted syllabus is going to be for only. Remaining syllabus is only for board exam. But you want to prepare for NEET exam, you may can expect questions from related to deleted syllabus also. If we learn deleted syllabus, we can get basics properly. Means maybe some combination questions is there. At least we can try how much we can learn within our time. But deleted syllabus they won't give for board exam. That's the only their concern. But finally they will give syllabus also for NEET exam. At the time we can see. But time allowing us, we'll discuss little bit clearly. We won't discuss completely which is deleted 100%. At least important concept we will try to discuss our within the syllabus. Some related to some concept deleted suppose, but that required to us to solve which is the existing syllabus. At the time you have to discuss deleted syllabus concept also little bit. Existing syllabus also related to some deleted syllabus also, na? So sometimes we need to learn that is also. But mostly we'll discuss first existing syllabus only. If time is there or our requirement is there, then only we are going to be touch deleted syllabus. That is also very few things, not everyone. Deleted syllabus they won't give for board exam. Okay. If anyone you need deleted syllabus, the things you can get from internet also. If you are not getting, you make an approach. I will forward that. Which is existing syllabus, I can forward. Okay. And I'm expecting from you homework, sir. Now you can prepare like this pattern some questions. You can try at least 10 questions. And where did you practice theory? Still now, whatever I thought, that is your homework. You are in this group, I think so approximately 44 only. Some people they left. Why they left now? Time is there, na? I am giving homework to you. Submit who are existing people. Then you'll take. I will give punishment tomorrow. Them 200 times they have to write all the formulas. Send 10 questions. Either seekers who are they given provided. Otherwise you can send to this number. Who are sending? Whenever you are sending, send with your batch name and school name, sir. Otherwise I can't identify. Even batch one also is there. Then I'm going to give report, sir, properly to Murli, sir. How many people they are doing homework? How many people they are not doing? So please do properly and send. Who left? Don't inform them. Why they are left before class? Now only 44 means we are only 42 students. Don't tell them also. We'll ask tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. This homework, sir. Please, you can do 10 questions your own, or you can search any textbook. Then do that one. Thank you.